What's the situation, Admiral?
Heavy artillery fire starting from about 100 yards that way, continuing on over that ridge, has suppressed Holy Wah. We've secured the back door and the surrounding area. This will be our mountain headquarters from now on until this battle is over. I think we're going to get an early victory. Lots of thanks. We're very proud of our civilian contractors as well as our combatants who were first on the battlefield today. It's looking good. I think we're going to see a lot of dead Holy Wah very soon.
What's the mission here? What are we on? What are we off to do?
Our whole patrol is going to head in for reconnoiter inside the lodge, and we'll discuss strategy there.
Replenish carbohydrates?
That too.
It instantly color corrects your footage.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I hadn't heard that. That is fucked up, isn't it?
Totally fucked up.
It was way before your injuries.
Yeah.
Like we,
So let's meet the cabin there. Let's make our way over.
All right.
So definitely,
Are you
it's
Santa?
a Chinelli point and shoot exercise today because we are definitely shooting blind.
Last year, I believe it was March 10th, I was with John Tracy. And at this point, I was thinking, I want to have my speed up at the bottom so I could go all the way and glide to the entrance to the bar. And I didn't see the net that was blocking my way, and tried to jump over it and failed.
Intel is the secessionists are friendly to the Wah, so the Wah has gone to ground, won't resurface until after the op is over. The military option is hopeless here. It's going to have to be a policy solution that will probably end up with a secessionist state. Like I said, 906 freedom. It's on its way. You can either get with it or get behind.
I doubt any of them are going to hit the rail. Here we go. Shirtless snowboarders.
All right. American dentistry.
Here we go. Oh, dog.
All right, let's climb back up and hit that rail.
Yeah.
Well, on the far side of the mountain, we encountered a battalion-level contingency of Holy Wah, and we've confiscated quite a few things. LeBlat's Blue non-alcoholic beer.
That's just wrong.
None of that. getting anywhere.
Boudoir smuggled French beer.
Oh,
Old style.
old style. Is that what's referred to as, what did you call that earlier?
That's an old man can.
An old man can. And what does that mean?
That means it's cheap and the old guys don't like that craft beer.
Ah,
It's from a new generation of secessionists.
there you go. the new generation of old secessionists.
Successionists, yes,
Yes.
absolutely.
Just a word to young women out there. If you're looking for an old man's can, I got one.
Now, you have 2 cameras, and I think I heard somebody ask you if that helped you shift time. How does that work? Can you explain the physics behind that?
Well,
Or the metaphysics, whichever apply, whatever.
I thought it would be great to have 2 cameras because nobody gets left out.
We did a thorough sweep from north to south end. We encountered a little resistance. We quickly eradicated it and moved on. And it's clear sailing from right now. I heard through our intelligence that there was some possible activity coming into the area. Probably 2100 hours. They'd be camped down for the night. We'll see. We'll get them up in the morning, and we'll have to do our job. That's all. That's all it is to it.
906 sounds like freedom.
No, literally, there was nothing done.